So I don't know if the right thing would be to change that leader or put him in training or something
Hmm.
about communication, because I would say the communication is the most important thing. If you won't be heard in a company, you won't be healthy. Yeah,
Yeah.
and understood somehow. I mean, they can't do everything for you, but you have to be understand that we know this as like leaders that uh, there are so many. Every person has its own important thing. For some is the money. For some is the working hours. For some is they have maybe small children. They have the possibility to do something. Maybe they need to work remote one day because the child is sick. There are these things, and you as a leader need to have your feel this. What are the most important things for the people, for your people, so you can give that to them, because there you will
Hmm.
get out the like I said, then you come to the heart factor. When you have the heart into it, it will grow exponentially what you can do.
Mm. Oh, I love that. I love that you mentioned the hard part.